Yat Eitne, Masana Nishla, this is Navajo Grandma. We are still talking about corn, and if you can tell, I am standing in the midst of a cornfield, and it's wonderful, it's beautiful. Now, this really quick, our question is, what do we do with our corn silk? Now, if you open this up, look at Grandma, she's opening the corn silk, and inside it, you will see the corn silk, see? The strands of corn silk. Now, you want to not use the dark part, you can cut that off, but the fresh part, you want to use that. Now, as you and I know, summertime is here and it's going really quick. And it's warm. In fact, Grandma's pretty hot out here. And but what we have is a lot of, so far, a lot of outdoor fun. We've had picnics, barbecues, and the corn season is amazing. And when it comes to there's cookout time. There's nothing better than a juicy cob of corn and a lot of smacking butter on there. And also we have corn salads, etc. Once you're done eating the kernels, okay, there's still loads of delicious uses for the rest of this starchy vegetable in its natural packaging. Now, leftover corn husks are made, you know, we can make tamales and whatever. And otherwise, you can also use the corn husks to bake some mouth-watering halibut, okay? And it is so wonderful. And I do have the recipe in the description box, and if you scroll down, you will see the recipe there. Now, when you think about this, okay, this is just so amazing. Okay, MAIZE, amazing. Anyways, so we have some culinary goodness that we still have with this. And the one thing that Grandma wants to bring forth is that there's a lot of vitamins in this. We have potassium, we have vitamin K, we have a lot of antioxidants in here. And so I will tell you really quick with this video, it's not going to be very long, but this right here, if you cut this off and just use the fresh corn silk, and you gather that. Now remember, Grandma showed you how to put it in a microwave and to clean the, you know, all the corn husks, the corn silk off. And then you can open up the corn husk once you've done that and enjoy a wonderful cup of corn silk tea. And again, it has a lot of vitamins that we really need. And so Grandma wanted to just share that tidbit with you. It is wonderful, and you remember, you know, what we do. We've used this corn, and it's so important. And I will tell you even more about it. So this is going to be a very, very quick video. And look at all the corn silk in here. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And again, we only use the clean part. Don't use the dark, yucky part. Cut that off. And this is the part that you can use for the tea. Now 1 tablespoon, remember, with hot water, steep it for 10 minutes, add some honey and enjoy. And it's European, Chinese use this. Native Americans make tea out of this. I don't remember drinking it, but I will have a cup, and I know that my grandmother, you know, they fried it and they used it, but really I don't know the extent. But these are the ideas, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much. There's so many savory culinary uses for this beautiful corn, and if you can see, remember, we can use the kernels we eat. We use the husks. We use the corn cob inside, you know, the corn cob inside. And we used it to scrub our bodies. as well as you can scrub your corns off your feet and whatever. You have to let that dry really good and hard. There's so many uses that are wonderful, and you've seen Grandma's video, so go back and enjoy. And this is it, another corny moment. I love you. Hagone.